For more than 2 decades, JF Packaging has assisted thousands of brands adding value through personalized flexible packaging solutions. Every member at JF Packaging share common values to deliver only the best packaging solutions to our clients, and that's why we are recognized as a customer-oriented solution provider in the industry. We ensure that our policies and procedures are followed in accordance with international quality standards. Our state-of-the-art production facility in Kutubuda covers all customer needs and has the ability to offer a wide range of packaging formats to suit all products and applications. Producing high-quality films with thin gauge and wide width and cost optimization is our commitment, which is achieved through our multi-layer blue film fluid extruder machine. Our highly skilled print operators ensure that our high-speed photogravure printer with the latest online real-time inspection system and an 8-color printing capability delivers the highest quality prints with zero defect. The ultra-modern laminating and coating machine with its ability to provide a wide range of customized solutions and specific material blends tailor-made to achieve the best barrier properties for the packaging, whereby adding freshness and long shelf life to your products. We have built our brand on trust and innovation, which reflects in our client portfolio with the best names in the food industry. The laboratory of JF Packaging is fully equipped and all our products are in accordance with stringent quality control procedures. Our continuous training and development ensures that your print and product quality always exceeds expectations. Investing on new ideas to grow our business is at the heart of what we do. That has kept JF Packaging at the forefront of innovation. This simple belief has awarded us with prestigious awards throughout the years. World Star Awards from World Packaging Organization, Asia Star Awards from the Asian Packaging Federation, and Lanka Star Awards. We bring to you the best of packaging that can elevate your product to the next level. JF Packaging, the most awarded packaging company.
JF Packaging, the most awarded packaging company. Let's give them a good round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. We're going to talk about gentlemen, and a warm welcome to JF Packaging Limited's IPO Investor Forum. Thank you for joining us this evening. Let me start with the key IPO highlights. JF Packaging Limited is offering 51.7 million new ordinary voting shares via the IPO at an issue price of Rs 1160 per share. The total issue size will be Rs 600 million and the percentage on offer will be a 30.05% stake in the company. The market cap of the company post-IPO would be at around LKR 2 billion. The offer will be a full offer for subscription and the funds will be used primarily to settle specific term and import loans, thereby deleveraging the balance sheet. Based on the valuations, the IPO price offers a potential 36.6% upside to investors, making it attractively priced. And the IPO opens on 30th of October 2025. These are the key differentiators that sets JF Packaging apart from its competitors. The JF Packaging Group functions as an integrated, one-stop packaging solutions provider covering flexible packaging, PET products, plastic accessories, adhesive tapes, and paper-based packaging solutions under one group. Their operations are supported by state-of-the-art modern manufacturing facilities, dedicated R&D and quality assurance systems, and multiple quality certifications. They have a strong commitment to sustainability and innovation through eco-friendly manufacturing processes, the use of bio-based plastics and biodegradable packaging solutions. And they have a highly award-winning track record both locally and internationally. These these are the key investment drivers which drive JF Packaging's long-term investment potential. JF Packaging has a strong brand reputation and industry positioning in flexible packaging, as well as other adjacent packaging segments. They are recognized for providing innovative, high-performance, cost-effective packaging solutions. They have been in the packaging solutions business for over 35 years with long-term trusted partnerships with blue-chip multinationals and FMCG companies. They maintain a sustainable growth strategy through diversification, acquisition, and R&D. They invest in R&D to produce future-ready, environmentally friendly, innovative packaging solutions, and their growth is anchored in innovation, sustainability, and integration across the subsidiaries. Around one-third of the group's revenue is generated from export-linked operations, providing a natural hedge against forex volatilities. And they have an experienced board and management team with proven execution capability. This is an overview of the group structure. The JF Packaging Group comprises of 5 companies. JF Packaging Limited is the parent entity and the company to be listed. It has 4 fully owned subsidiaries. JF Ventures Limited is 100% owned and functions purely as an investment holding company. It has no active operations. KIFS, Ceylon Tapes and Alliance 5 are all fully owned subsidiaries of JF Packaging Limited. Now let's have a look at how this group structure contributes to the company's financial performance. What you see on the slide is the consolidated income statement for JF Packaging, which reflects the combined group performance of all 4 companies. If you look at the top line, over the past 5 years, group revenues have increased from LKR 2 billion to LKR 4.4 billion, which is a more than 2-fold increase at a CAGR of around 21.4% per annum. And the revenue is projected to grow at a CAGR of around 13% to reach LKR 7.3 billion over the next 4 years. Gross profit margins have remained strong, averaging about 25% over the past 3 years, and the projections also assume a similar trend with margins expected to average around 25% over the forecast period. Operating expenses to sales have averaged around 11% historically, underscoring the group's tight cost controls and EBIT growth. If you look at the historicals, you can see that the borrowing costs have been a primary factor weighing down the profitability of the group. However, with the IPO funds post-deleveraging, these margins and profits are expected to strengthen further. The current interest coverage ratios for the group stand at around 1.9x, and post-IPO, this will improve to around 3x with an estimated saving of around 20% in finance expenses per annum. Let's move on to the valuations. The IPO is priced at Rs 1160 per share, offering an attractive upside to the valuations. The implied fair value range based on the DCF, forward PE and EV to EBITDA methods ranges between LKR 14.42 to LKR 18.43 per share versus the IPO price of 1160, offering a potential upside of around 36% compared to the average value per share of LKR 15.84. Based on the IPO price, the implied trailing PE multiple for FY 24-25 is 10.69x, and the implied forward PE multiple for FY 25-26 is 7.78 times. This compares to the current market PE multiple of around 10 times. Based on the IPO price, the implied PBV multiple stands at 1.25x, which is also below the current market PBV multiple of 1.5x. This slide provides a summary of the valuations we discussed previously. The value of equity based on the SOTP DCF valuation derived an average fair value per share of LKR 18.43, and the value of equity based on a forward PE method derived an average value per share of LKR 14.42, while the value of equity based on the EV to EBITDA method derived an average value per share of LKR 14.68. This is a look at the peer comparison, which shows how JF Packaging compares with its peers in the local and regional markets. Among the listed local peers, the average PE multiple stood at around 10.81x, which was higher than the implied PE multiple of 10.69x for JF. And among the regional peers, the average PE multiple was even higher at 19.41x. The selected PE multiple range for the valuations was between 8.53 to 10.81 at an average of 9.67, and the selected EV to EBITDA multiple range was between 5.95 to 6.54 at an average of 6.25 times, indicating that the IPO is attractively valued relative to both local, regional and market comparables. That brings us to the end of this presentation. Thank you once again, and we look forward to your support as the company embarks on this next phase of growth through this IPO. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Mrs. Srimanti Srinivasa, for that detailed presentation.